guys, just wanted to do another quick video and show you how I quickly change out my wax. Now, Scentsy does sell something, it's called a cotton cleanup, and you get a pack of 25 of them for $6. And each one of them, it has a little handle and it can soak up to 4 bars up at once. And so they're great little products. But if you're like me and don't happen to have any, you can use regular old cotton balls. You can also use this spatula right here. So let me show you how I get rid of my wax when I'm ready to change it out. So cotton ball method, obviously you want your wax to be melted. So I've got one right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm just gonna throw a cotton ball in there and let it soak for a few seconds. While it's doing that, I'm gonna come here and show you how this one is solid. This one has not been melted. So I can use my little spatula here. One end has a little pointy curve, and this is how I usually do it. Let's see what this looks like on camera. I just poke it in there and kind of lift it out. Ta-da! And then sometimes see how it has like a little bit right here it missed, so I would just take the spatula and get that little piece out, and it is ready to go again for your new scent. Now, if you have one that's a little bit melted, a little bit soft, you can use the other end of your spatula and just kind of see if you can see how it kind of just pulls out like that with that end of your spatula. And it's, you know, a little bit melted, just soft. Get rid of that. And now, if you can see, that cotton ball has been sitting in there. One cotton ball soaked it all up. And then I usually, you can waste another cotton ball, you don't have to. I usually take another one and just kind of wipe it out real good. Just to see how it did pull a little bit more. And now it's perfect. They're all empty and ready for your new waxes. Quick and easy. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.